how to set MP3 song or any audio file as a ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button here. Then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. From here, go down and tap on Ringtone. Next, tap on the Add button at the top here. Then in the list here, scroll down and select the songs that you want to use. Okay. Now, if you do not have the songs that you want to use, you need to transfer them from your computer to your phone, or you need to download them from the internet. Here you can browse by the folder, or by albums, or by artists, or by tracks. And then tap on Done. Okay, so tap on Done. And that's it. After that, we can go back. So that is the ringtone. Whenever you receive an incoming call, it will play with that audio file. Now when you add in a sound, you can choose play selected highlights only, or you can set it so that it will play at the beginning of the song. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.